one finger, one press of the enter key. That is all it takes to start coding in R. No joke. Will I lie to you? Let's prove it right now. Did you install R and RStudio with me in the last video? If not, pause this video and watch the last video first. If yes, then open RStudio with me right now. Together, simply type this 2 plus 2, then press the enter key. You see that? You just wrote and ran your very first R code. Yes, that is the real R programming. Welcome to the R world.